I got this comment here on a video where I compared Web Native to React Native, primarily React Native versus WebView. Someone asked a really good question, and I think it's a problem that multiple people have. So I wanted to answer that here. So the question was, I'm just in the 1% development stage, and it's so frustrating. I need to make sure it uses WebView to render rich text. Now, the thing is, if you are in a React Native application and you want to render rich text, there are so many native NPM packages that let you do the same thing. There's React Native Rich Text Editor right here on NPM. You can take a look at that. It renders rich text. Expo also has a solution for rendering rich text that uses native text elements. Now, you can use a web view to edit rich text and all of that, and it is probably the easiest way to set up. But what I wouldn't do is I wouldn't combine React Native components with WebView components for specific elements. Now, while it's possible, and most apps do that, I would probably choose between either one of them as a solution, because if you're going to have multiple pieces of your React Native application be a web view, the performance across that is going to be very inconsistent because the web view itself has a JavaScript overhead, the React Native application has a JavaScript overhead, and I think if you're using React Native, the performance of your editor and the feel and just how it works will be way nicer being also in React Native using native text elements, because going between native UI and web UI, then making it look nice and sync together is a little bit of an art. But there is another solution. You could use a web native framework to build the entire application as a WebView web native application. Now, I know people are going to now say, oh, bad performance and all of that, but actually the Canva mobile app, I verified this with ChatGPT and some random Reddit posters. The Canva mobile app is made using web native. So the Canva mobile app is made using a web view, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then they have a native shell that gives the Canva mobile app access to haptic feedback and all that. So it's almost as if they would be using Despia. It's pretty much the same idea, just with a different brand name. But that's what they are doing, and that's my favorite approach. And if you like that approach, check out Despia.com. You can build your web native application for free today and get it on the App Store.